Assalamu alaikum students. We are going to start with our subject max, chapter number 11, problems on measurement. So as we have already done measurement sums, we know that 1 rupees is equals to 100 paise, 1 kg is equals to 1000 gram, 1 centimeter is equals to 10 mm, 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeter, 1 liter is equals to 1000 milliliter. And also we have done the sums based on that is addition and subtraction. So we are directly going to start with our problem set 46. Question number 1, add. So we are going to start with our addition, that is 9 rupees 50 paise plus 14 rupees 60 paise. The solution is, we are going to draw the two columns. One will be rupees column and second will be paise column. So in rupees it is 9, in paise it is whole 50, that is both the digits will come in one line, in one column. Then plus 14 and 50 paise, 60 paise. So when we add it, we get the answer here. 50 plus 60 is 110 and 9 plus 14 is 23. So 110, that is 110 paise, we can write it as 1 rupees plus 10 paise. So that 1 rupees will go under the rupees, that is 23 rupees, which will become 24, and this 10 paise will be as it is. So here I have shown the two colors, that is the purple color is the addition and the red color 24 rupees and 10 paise is the actual answer. So the answer is 9 rupees 50 paise plus 14 rupees 60 paise is equals to 24 rupees 10 paise. Next, question number 2, 6 centimeter 5 millimeter plus 7 centimeter 9 millimeter. So solution, again we will draw the two columns, that is centimeter and millimeter. So 6 centimeter 5 millimeter plus 7 centimeter 9 millimeter. So 5 plus 9 is 14 and 6 plus 7 is 13. So 14 millimeter can be written as 1 centimeter plus 4 millimeter. So 1 centimeter will be added with 13, we get the answer here as 14, and 4 millimeter will come as it is. So the answer is 6 centimeter 6 centimeter 5 millimeter plus 7 centimeter 9 millimeter is equals to 14 centimeter 4 millimeter. Next, question number 3, 22 meter 50 centimeter plus 25 meter 75 centimeter. So here we will draw again two columns, that is meter and centimeter. So 22 meter 50 centimeter plus 25 meter 75 centimeter. So 50 plus 75 is 125 centimeter. 22 plus 25 is 47 meter. So when we add it, we get the answer as 125 centimeter. So 125 centimeter can be written as 1 meter plus 25 centimeter, that is 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeter and 47 meter. So here we will add 1 meter with 47, we get the answer here as 48, and 25 centimeter will come as it is. So our answer is 22 meter 50 centimeter plus 25 meter 75 centimeter is equals to 48 meter 25 centimeter. Next, question number 4, 15 kilometer 740 meter plus 13 kilometer 950 meter. So we will draw the two columns, kilometers and meters. So 15 kilometer 740 meter plus 13 kilometer 950 meter. So when we add here 750 plus 950, we get the answer here as 1690. So 1690 meter can be written as 1 kilometer plus 690 meter, and 15 plus 13 is 28. So that 28 we will add 1 kilometer with it. So we get the answer here as 29 and here 690. So answer is 15 kilometer 740 meter plus 13 kilometer 950 meter is equals to 29 kilometer 690 meter. Next, question number 5, 25 kg 650 gram plus 29 kg 770 gram. So we will draw the columns. 25 kilogram in one column, 650 in another column, plus 29 in one column and 770 in another column. So when we add 650 plus 770, we get the answer here as 1420, and 25 plus 29 is 5500. 54. So 1420 grams can be written as 1 kg plus 420 grams, and that 25 plus 29 gives 54. So that 1 kg we will add with 54 and we get the answer here as 55, and 420 grams will come as it is. So answer is 25 kg 650 gram plus 29 kg 770 gram is equals to 55 kg 420 grams. Last question of addition, question 1 is 19 liter 840 milliliter plus 25 liter 250 ml. So we will draw the two columns, liters and millimeters. So 19 liter 480 milliliter, 25 liter 250 milliliter. So when we add 19 plus 25, we get the answer here as 44, and 840 plus 250, we get the answer here as 1090. So 1090 ml can be written as 1 liter plus 90 ml. So that one will add with 44 and we get the answer here as 45, and 90 ml will come as it is. So answer 19 liter 840 milliliter plus 25 liter 250 milliliter is equals to 45 liter 90 milliliter. Next, question number 2, subtract. First, 19 rupees 50 paise minus 12 rupees 60 paise. Solution, we will draw the two columns, that is rupees and paise. So here 19 rupees 50 paise minus 12 rupees 60 paise. We cannot do the subtraction here, 50 minus 60. So we will borrow. Yes or no? So we will borrow from 19. So it becomes 18. So 1 rupee is equals to 100 paise. So when 1 comes in the paises column, it becomes 100. 100 plus 50 is equals to 150. So 150 minus 60 is 90, and 18 minus 12 is 6. So answer is 19 rupees 50 paise minus 12 rupees 60 paise is equals to 6 rupees 90 paise. Next, second, 24 centimeter 2 mm minus 3 centimeter 8 mm. So answer here, we will draw the two columns, 24 centimeter 2 millimeter 3 centimeter 8 millimeter. So 2 minus 8 we cannot do, so again we are going to borrow it from 24. 24 becomes 23 and 1 centimeter is 10 millimeter. So 10 plus 2 is 12. 12 minus 8 is 4 and 23 minus 3 is 20. So answer is 24 centimeter 2 millimeter minus 3 centimeter 8 millimeter is equals to 20 centimeter 4 millimeter. Next, question number 3. 20 millimeter 20 meter 30 centimeter minus 17 meter 60 centimeter. Again we will draw the two columns. In meters it is 20 and in centimeter it is 30. Minus in meters it is 70 and in centimeter it is 60. So 30 minus 60 we cannot do. So again we will borrow it from 20. So 20 becomes 19 and 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeter. So 1 meter we will write here as 100 plus 30 is equals to 130. So 130 minus 60 is 70 and 19 minus 17 is 2. So answer 20 meter 30 centimeter minus 17 meter 60 centimeter is equals to 2 meter 70 centimeter. Next, question number 4. 40 kilometer 255 meter minus 17 kilometer 960 meter. We will draw the two columns. 255 minus 960 we cannot do, so we will borrow it from kilometer, that is 40 kilometer becomes 39. So 1 kilometer is 1000 meter. 1000 plus 255 is 1255 minus 960. So the answer is 295, and 39 minus 17 is 22. So answer 14 kilometer 255 mm minus 17 kilometer 960 meter is equals to 22 kilometer 295 meter. Next question number 5. 35 kg to 150 gram minus 26 kg 470. So 150 minus 470 we cannot do. Again we will borrow it from kg, that is 35 becomes 34. So 1 kg is equals to 1000 grams. 1000 plus 150 is equals to 1150. So 1150 minus 470 becomes what? 680 grams, and 34 minus 26 becomes 8 kg. Understood? So the answer is 35 kg 150 gram minus 26 kg 470 gram is equals to 8 kg 680 grams. Next, last question, subtraction. 460 liter, 46 liter 200 ml minus 38 liter 750 ml. So we have drawn the columns here, liter and milliliter. So here 200 minus 750 we cannot do, so we have to borrow it from liter. So 46 become 45 and 1 liter becomes 1000 milliliter. 1000 plus 200 is equals to 1200. 1200 minus 750 is 450 ml, and 45 minus 38 is 7 liter. So answer is 46 liter 200 ml minus 38 liter 250 ml is equals to 7 liter 450 ml. Now we will move on to our problem set 47. Question number 1, that is we will start with our word problems. First question. For his birthday. Whose birthday? Ajay. Ajay gave 20 liter 450 ml of milk to the children in an ashram shala and 28 liter 800 ml to the children in an orphanage. How much milk did Ajay donate? So here it was Ajay's birthday. He has donated milk at two places, that is ashram shala and orphanage. So we have to find how much milk he has donated. So first is milk given in ashram shala 20 liter 450 ml. Milk given in orphanage is equals to 28 liter 800 ml. Milk donated in all is 20 liter 450 ml plus 28 liter 800 ml. So here we have done the addition. So we get the answer 450 plus 800 gives us 1250, and 20 plus 28 gives us 48. So 1250 ml is equals to 1 liter plus 250 ml. So that 1 liter we will add with 48. We get the answer here as 49, and that 250 ml will come as it is. So Ajay donated 49 liter 250 ml of milk in all. Next question. Under the Rural Cleanliness Mission, college students cleaned 1 kilometer 750 meter of a village road, that is 2 kilometers 575 meter long. How much remained to be cleaned? So here that cleanliness mission was there in the rural place where they have cleaned a road which length is 25 kilometer 575 meter, and how much they have cleaned? They have cleaned 1 kilometer 750 meter. We have to find how much is remaining. So the length of village road 2 kilometer 575 meter. Length of village road cleaned 1 kilometer 750 meter. So length of village road to be cleaned, that is 2 kilometer 575 meter minus 1 kilometer 750 meter. So in the two columns we will draw kilometer and meter. 2 575 minus 1 750. So 575 minus 750 we cannot do, so we will borrow it from kilometer. So 2 becomes 1 and 1 kilometer becomes 1000 meter. 1000 plus 575 is equals to 1000. 1575. So 1575 minus 750, that is 825, and 1 minus 1 is 0. So 825 meter of road is remaining for cleaning. Question number 3. Babul Gaon used 21,250 milliliters of treated wastewater in the fields. Samvatsar used 31,350 liters of similar water. How much treated water was used in all? So there is a two villages, they have used the treated water, means the wastewater which has been treated and used in the fields. So we have to find how much liter of water is used in all. So our solution, Babul Gaon used treated water 21,250 liters. Samvatsar used treated water 31,350 liters. So treated water in all used, that is 21,250 plus 31,350. So when we add 0 plus 0 is 0, 5 plus 5 is 10. So 0 down, 1 carry. 1 plus 2 plus 3 is 6, 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 plus 3 is 5. So the treated water used in all is how much? 52 liter, 52,600. Question number 4. If a half liter of milk costs 22 rupees, how much will 7 liters cost? So half liter cost is given. We have to find the 7 liter cost milk. So cost of half liter of milk is 22 rupees. So cost of 1 liter will be 22 plus 22, that is 44 rupees. So cost of 7 liters of milk will be 44 into 7. So when we do the multiplication, 44 into 7, so 7 fours are 28. 8 down, 2 carry. Then 4 again 7 fours are 28. 2 plus 2 is 30. So the answer is 308. So the cost of 7 liters of milk is 308 rupees. 54 rupees. Next, question number 5. If the speed of a motorcycle is 40 km per hour, how far will it travel in an hour and a quarter? So the speed of motorcycle is how much? It is traveling in 1 hour. How much? 40 kilometer. Understood? So we have to find in 1 and hour and quarter how much it is traveling. So first we will write 1 hour is equals to 60 minutes. So 60 minutes, in 60 minutes it is traveling 40 kilometer. So in quarter of 40 kilometer is how much? 40 into 1 upon 4, that is 10 kilometer. So how much it is? So we have to find, that is an hour and a quarter. So hour and quarter is equals to 60 plus 15. Quarter means 15 minutes. So 60 plus 15 is 75 minutes and 40 plus 10 is 50 kilometers. So it travels 50 kilometer in an hour and a quarter. Next, question number 6. If a man walks at a speed of 4 km per hour, how long will it take him to walk 3 km? So a man is taking how much? 4 km in 1 hour. So we have to find in 3 km how much he is traveling. He is walking. So 1 hour is equals to 60 minutes. So man walks for 4 km is equals to 60 minutes. So in 60 minutes he is walking 4 km. So in for 3 kilometers how much time he is taking, that is we don't know and we have to find that. So we will do the cross multiplication. 60 into 3 upon 4. So 60 into 3 is 180 upon 4, that is 45 minutes. So answer, man took 45 minutes to walk 3 kilometers. Next, 7th. If a rickshaw travels at a speed of 30 km per hour, how far will it travel in 3/4 of an hour? So the rickshaw takes 1 hour to travel 30 km. Understood? So how much it travel in 3/4 of an hour? So 1 hour is equals to 60 minutes. So 3/4 of hour is how much? 45 minutes. So in 60 minutes rickshaw travels 30 km. So in 45 minutes rickshaw travels, that is we don't know. So we will do the cross multiplication, that is 30 into 45 upon 60. So 45 upon 2 is equals to 22.5. So as we know that 22.5 we can write it into kilometer and meter. So before decimal point it is kilometer and after decimal point it is meter. So 22 kilometer 500 meter will rickshaw travel in 3/4 of an hour. So with this we have done till sum number 7 of problem set 47.